Okay, I think I say okay at the beginning of most videos, but this is our room tour of 2305 on the Carnival Vista. Here's all that pertinent information. I saw videos where you had to have a card in the slot to get the locks to work, but we came in and there was a card already in the slot, so maybe they just circumvent that. Here is Amy. You have your standard 1, 2, 3 closets. Closets have hangers, and then closets also have shelves and a little safe. Under here, under the desk, there's a phone and some various paraphernalia. There's a mini fridge, a seat for the ladies to apply makeup. One of these waters is complimentary. One of these you have to buy. Here's a mirror. Here is a sofa and a bed. I'll tell you what, let me go to the bathroom, get the head. You have a shower with your requisite shampoo and body gel. And as I always say, the Whittle commode or the cruise toilet with the flush button on the wall behind. Sink, shelves, makeup mirror, towel. There's another power outlet up there in case you want to run an electric razor or something, hair dryer or something like that. Kleenex trash can. Here is your temperature control. I'm glad it's blue and not red, as you see where the line is. Here's Amy once again. Television that's showing channel information as we walk in. We just literally, well, everybody says literally, but we just came in just a minute ago and dropped our stuff off. The rooms just became ready. And we have this cove balcony. There's the MSC Seashore over there. The Disney Magic. Here is Phil and Candace.
Hello,
right there. Yeah. Anyway, this is our view off the balcony. We're still in Port Canaveral right now, but we will be heading out soon. But this is 2305 on the Carnival Vista.